Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Desjardins Insurance Review, my Quebec and Canada policy experience. Desjardins Insurance offers a range of insurance products for individuals and businesses in Quebec and across Canada, covering everything from car and home insurance to life and health insurance. Their target audience is anyone looking for insurance coverage in these regions, with policies tailored to specific needs and budgets. Key features often include online account management, various coverage options, and 24/7 claims support. Their website provides details about all their insurance offerings. They emphasize accessible customer service, a commitment to community involvement, and a range of policy options designed to provide flexibility and value. While I can't speak to specific pricing without a personalized quote, they aim for transparency with no hidden fees. You can easily check their website for availability and coverage options in your area. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Desjardins Insurance for my car and tenant insurance in Quebec. Getting started was pretty straightforward. I used their online quote tool to compare different coverage levels and then spoke with an agent to finalize my policies. The onboarding process was smooth, and I received my policy documents electronically, which was convenient. Navigating their online portal is fairly easy. I can access my policy information, make payments, and even file a claim online. I recently had to update my address after moving, and doing it through the website was a breeze. The interface is clean and well organized, making it simple to find what I need. The standout feature for me was definitely the 24/7 claim support. I had a minor fender bender a few months ago, and I was able to call and start the claim process immediately, even late at night. The agent was helpful and guided me through the necessary steps. Performance-wise, I haven't had any issues. Claim processing was efficient, and I received reimbursement quickly. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app dedicated specifically to insurance management. While they do have a general banking app, having a separate app for insurance would be more convenient. It took me a little while to get used to navigating the different sections on the website, but once I figured it out, it wasn't a problem. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with Desjardins Insurance. While a dedicated mobile app would be a welcome addition, their online portal is user-friendly, the claims process was smooth, and the customer service was excellent. That's my overview of Desjardins Insurance Review, my Quebec and Canada policy experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.